This week the EURUSD has made a move, and that move is a bullish one. We can see that the previous week has stopped here where the confluence of resistance is, where we can see these monthly resistance levels and also this monthly trend line resistance, and on a Monday we can see day has closed with a bullish candle, where the candle has closed above the previous candle's close price and open price. You can see it here, and on a Tuesday the price has formed some kind of a small indecision bar. We can see that the price has gone up and then going down, and the day has almost closed at the same price when it has opened. Then on a Wednesday we can see a strong bullish candle that took the price from 1.1 up to 1.11, which means 100 pips move, and also we can see that this move has made a breakout to the upside where the price has broke this 1.107 price level. You can see that in the past this price level has held the price for the 3 times. This is the first one, second one and the third one. This strong move did not stop the price, but the price continued to move up or above 1.118, and it has closed at the 1.12 price level, where you can see the price has stopped right here, which is a monthly resistance level. This daily 1.1075 did not hold the price as I have expected, but the price continued to move up and it had stopped above 1.118, close to 1.12 price level. We can see that the price has managed also to close the Friday above, did not return back down, which is showing us a strength of the euro bias that took the price up, and also there are no sellers that will push the price down around this price level. Let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. On the weekly time frame looks very strong in a bullish manner, where we can see a strong bullish candle that has took over this, make a breakout outside of this strong resistance, confluence of resistance levels, and then the price has stopped at 1.118 price level, which is a resistance also on a monthly time frame. We can see that the price has reached this price level, which are the lows of these price candles and also the highs of this candle. This is the area that was expected that the price will come to when the price breaks above this price level here, 1.09, also 1.1 price level. Then we can see on the monthly time frame, we can see that it's still bullish, even though it has passed only 2 weeks and we have 2 more to go in this month. This is still a scenario open, but as it looks right now, the bulls are ruling on the market, and the market will probably stay above this area here, 1.1 price level, and may probably making a small retrace back down. So what we can expect in this following month, it is hard to say on the monthly time frame, but because of the price has made a breakout to the upside about 1.1 price level, this looks very bullish for now, and I'm expecting that the price will stay above this confluence of support right now. So the price stopped here, we can see it. This is the monthly resistance, so currently I am expecting that the price will make a retrace back down, at least to this price level, where you can see in the past the prices reached this area after making a strong move up. You can see in the past when the price has moved up, for example, let's take this scenario here. When the price has moved up, the price has stopped also, close this price level, you can see it here, and then making a retrace back down, close to the price level I have just mentioned, which is 1.11. And from there the price is continuing to move up to the next resistance level, and this is on a monthly time frame. So in this case, you can see it here, when the price has gone up, the price has stopped here and then making a retrace back down again around this price level here, which is the confluence of support and resistance. So I'm expecting now that the price will make the same. I'm expecting that on a weekly and a daily time frame we will see the price going down, making a retrace around 1.1, and then we'll see what happens. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. after the prices make a breakout, this is the free area where the price could make a retrace back down. So after the price makes a retrace back down, the first level where the price could stop is 1.11 price level. You can see it here. In the past, the price always had problems around this price level, and it is confluence of support and resistance. So I'm expecting that the price could reverse back down to the price level I have just mentioned, and if there is a stretch to the down, it could reach 1.1 price level. You can see in the past these are the wicks, which means this is the area where the price is bouncing around, and this is probably the area 1.1 and also 1.11 where the price on the weekly time frame stops or ends. So this is the area I am expecting to see the price in the following weeks, at least in the next 2 weeks. So we'll see what happens. Will the price make a retrace from this area, which is the strong confluence of resistance, and then move down, reaching this area here? There is also a second scenario, and that is the price continues to move up to the next level where the price could stop, and that is the area around this one here, which is around 1.13 price level. And if the price goes above that, we could see the price going up and then making a retrace going down around this monthly support. Let's see on the daily time frame how this looks. On the daily, just a minute, let's take this one like this, stretch this one like this. So the price is reaching this area of confluence of resistance, and the price has gone above. So we'll see what happens on a Monday and a Tuesday. Those are the 2 days, especially Monday, which defines how the market will move to the rest of the days in that week. So if the price goes down below that, the first price level where the price could stop is 1.1. You can see this is confluence of support and resistance in this week, and also it will act as a confluence of support here on the trend line, on the uptrend. You can see it, and it could pose some kind of small support if the price goes down. So the next level where the price could stop is this one, 1.1 price level. I'm much more inclined on the daily time frame to see the price here around this area, which is a demand zone where the buyers will wait. The buyers who have entered here and they have exited right now, and they will be probably exiting around this one here, it will trigger also sell-off that the price will go down and making a retrace. But this will be much visible in the next week when we'll see how the Monday ends, to see how the market reacts after the strong bullish move in this week. Until then, it is also good to wait what the market will do, because after the strong move to the upside, there is also a possibility that the price will continue to move up, reaching higher levels, and that is the next one around 1.13. You can see that this is the area around the price level which is making a confluence of resistance. I am less inclined to see the price quickly to that price level, because I'm expecting that the price will make a retrace and then making a reaching this area where the supply zone confluence of resistance. Because if the price goes on a Monday right here, reaching this area, it is possible, but for me it is less likely. Anything can happen on the market. So these are the levels I'm watching for the next week, where I'm expecting to see the price making a retrace downside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!